Hello there. I just got home from Sam's Club and I bought a rotisserie chicken. Today I'm going to make some chicken enchilada dip, and I'm going to use this rotisserie chicken here to make it nice and easy. I'll start by taking this delicious looking chicken and picking all the meat off of it, putting it in a mixer bowl, and getting ready to add the other ingredients that go in the recipe. Alright, of course you could roast your own chicken, but this sure is an easy and inexpensive way. You can buy these for $4.98 at Sam's Club, and you can't even buy a whole fresh chicken for that price. It's nice and meaty, and maybe you want to save a chicken leg for your lunch, that's okay. But what you want to do is get most of the white meat pieces like this, and just set them aside. The mixer will do the work. I'm using my KitchenAid mixer today, and it will actually do a great job of shredding the meat to be much like a pulled chicken, pulled pork kind of consistency. And then we're going to mix it with some other things to make it like a dip. Alright, so just quickly remove the meat and get it ready to go. As soon as I get all the meat off of here, I'll be back to show you how we mix it. Now, if there are any really huge pieces, you might want to cut them in half so the fibers aren't real long when this becomes a dip. But we're going to let the mixer do the work. And anything that's bite size, we're going to put in here and let the mixer shred it. So let's get it going here. Everything goes quick at this point. And you can see you don't need to spend time with a fork and knife and trying to get nice shreds. Use this method for pulled pork or barbecue, chicken barbecue, turkey barbecue. We just want it to be nice and shredded so we can mix some other ingredients in. And you're going to want to be able to dip it out on a cracker or a piece of vegetable. So, okay, I think that's quite enough. Now look how fast that took place. And you have nice sized shreds, and you have it consistently chopped up. Alright, let's add the other ingredients now. We're going to use a block of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. We're going to use a small can of red enchilada sauce, and this is 10 ounces. Also, we're going to use a drained can of crisp corn, the shoe peg type. And this can here is 11 ounces. If you have a smaller can, that's fine too. Then I'm going to use about a half a jar of chunky salsa. You can choose mild or hot, whatever you like the best. Feel free to add other things that you'd like to have with enchiladas. You could add cheese, you could have other peppers and so on. But let's just get these in here and beat them up real quick. Let's just pour in the ingredients. I drained the juices off of the corn. We have the red enchilada sauce. And we have about a half a jar of salsa. We're using mild. And a block of cream cheese. Again, nothing beats a stand mixer, KitchenAid, my favorite, to blend up the cream cheese into a recipe. And it makes quite a nice amount of dip here, because what's nice about this is you can take a little out at a time and you can keep the rest of it cold. Or I'll tell you, there's another option. You can heat this up, and it's going to be a little more creamy and liquid, and it'll be a little softer. I like the dips cold, so we're going to put some on a plate. Now be creative with your dippers. You can slice up some cucumbers, you can have some radish slices, or any vegetable that you do like. Or you can have crackers, you can have pieces of cheese surrounding the plate. But this is a great way to get a quick dip with some really instant ingredients. The chicken that's already roasted, isn't that a great idea? So try this over the holidays, when you have a little special occasion. This is really delicious. Thanks for watching. That's good.